It's the Aspiring Actor's Guide to New York.
So we're passing some landmark buildings in Boston. That's the John Hancock building, which just went out of frame.
Nice.
We just went through an underground tunnel, which was built in the mid-90s. You used to be able to drive through the city, but you drive underneath the entire city, and there are a bunch of exits that branch out. And then when you exit the tunnel, you're on the other side of the city. That clears up traffic and gets people where they need to go.
Cool.
Go Sox.
Wait, JM, how do you know all this stuff?
I grew up outside of the city.
Nice.
In Chelmsford. There's a really cool restaurant at the top of the Prudential Center where I had a prom. And there's really great panoramic views of the city at night. And you can get a drink and relax, and it's great.
Your prom sounds so much cooler than my prom.
The two proms that I went to were at the top of the Hub and at Gillette Stadium. So dances are fun no matter where they are.
That's true. I do like dancing.
But we did for sure luck out with our prom locations.
Heck yeah. Just got to Boston, and what am I doing? Laundry.
Here we are, the Boston's world famous Olive Garden. Yeah.
Hospitaliano, not Italian, but
Breadsticks. Right, Michael?
Yeah, absolutely. 100%.
Yeah, out and about in Boston.
Where we going?
We're gonna go to Union Oyster House. Recommendation by Matt DeAngelis. Thanks, Matt.
The waterfront of colonial Boston, about 1760. The old Oyster House. That's where we're at right now.
We are not good at menuing.
We're not gonna be there.
We
At all.
We ordered the seafood platter thinking there'd be oysters and half shell stuff that we've never tried before on the plate, but literally everything is fried. I mean, I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, absolutely, we're gonna eat it. Which I'm sure that if we had actually looked at it, it would have probably said that.
Yeah, we should just get better at reading, probably. Whoops. We found the Boston version of TKTS.
There are no lights though.
Nope.
I feel
All right, we're gonna go to Primark.
Yay!
Yeah.
Primark.
Hello, Boston.
2 days later.
Nice.
Hello, Boston.
It's raining again.
It's now raining.
We're out of Primark. That's Daryl's haul. I didn't get anything.
We should have bought umbrellas.
We should have bought umbrellas. Why didn't we buy umbrellas? Primark sells umbrellas.
They actually do though.
Yeah. I even saw one and went, should I buy one of those? And then I didn't.
But the thing is that you knew it was raining, because we walked from rain into Primark, so
Yeah.
we both knew it was raining and still did not buy adequate rainwear or, rain coverings.
Ryan mentioned that he thinks my catchphrase is, damn it, I'm an idiot. Because that's what I say more than anything else.
Well, I mean, if you say it,
Catchphrase.
damn it, I'm an idiot.
Yeah, that's where I'm at right now.
Well, same, literal same.
Oh wow, this is a cool restaurant. Jeez Louise, that's cool. Oh, I'm just gonna go back into the kitchen, because why not? Walk-in freezer. Here we go. What? What is this? That's amazing. Check out this bar. It's an arcade. It's amazing. We just played Mario Kart. Woo!
Kicking my ass too.
She's gonna win this contest. We're gonna make sure, because we're gonna vote. Because voting is important. It's another rainy day in Boston. Walk into the theater. Ooh. Jeez Louise. Daryl's not a fan.
I am not a fan. I wouldn't mind if it wasn't so cold and windy. Are you not wearing contacts?
Nope. Brought my contacts though.
I gotta wear glasses. You can't say nothing.
No, I don't need to. You can.
I would not rely on me.
How's that PB&J?
Honestly, it's not that great. There's just not enough. There's not enough of it in it. It's like you see a little thin slice. There's like no jelly in there.
That's why you should DIY your PB&J. FTW. LOL.
Right.
bands in the show, and we signed all of the records. But thank you to everybody here right now. Thank you so much on behalf of the cast. It's really been incredible. And we're only in week 2, so it's only going to get better from here. So thank you all for doing
I can't see anything. It's so dark. Mike, can you see anything? That me? That's you. That's me. Yeah. We're in the Uber on the way home. I said I was only gonna have 3 drinks, and I had 4.
Oh, hi. Hello, we did it.
We did it. We opened,
It happened.
and now we're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna keep doing it. But first, we're gonna go to sleep.
Cheers.
Bye.
Morning, we're going guitar hunting.
Yeah. I'm not gonna buy anything. I promise, Ginny.
He's gonna buy something. I swear he is.
Maybe picks.
We just got to the train station, subway station, and we don't even know where we're going.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking somewhere near Harvard or Berkeley.
Yeah. I've never been to either of those places.
All right. Well, let's hear.
Exploration.
Guitar stores.
Are you vlogging again? I hate the subway.
I prefer this to the New York stuff.
I do too, but also I can't walk. I can't like stand on my own 2 feet when things aren't moving.
Shout out to all my friends who went here.
A bunch of guys were talking about like the 80s bands. And so I chimed in and said, oh man, we played with AC/DC and Journey. And my guys were like, what? I said, yeah, we did All Texas. Here's a great story for you. So Dimebag Darrell, one of the very first gigs that Dimebag went to and was inspired to learn how to play guitar and be a rock and roll star was the New England Journey and AC/DC gig at the Summit in Dallas, Texas.
Wow.
And so
Their hometown.
he gave an interview years later and mentioned that, and I said to myself, holy shit, we played that gig. And when I finally met him, a friend of mine, Aaron, was their sound guy, so they introduced me, and Dimebag goes, man, you look really familiar. I said, yeah, my name's Hirsch Gardner, I play with the band New England, you might have heard from me. He said, New England? He said, you were one of the bands that inspired me to play guitar, dude.
How cool is that?
How, I mean,
What an honor.
I was like, are you kidding me? You're like Dimebag freaking Darrell.
Sure.
So I
Wow.
was blown away.
That-
I was like,
I'm in shock right now. That's killer, man.
yeah, we did a lot of really great stuff. I feel really blessed that I was able to, have that kind of a rock and roll career early on, and I'm still doing it.
Of course, man. And you still have amazing hair, by the way. Gosh, I
Still got
love
the
it.
hair, dude.
That's killer, dude. It's a pleasure to meet you, man.
Well, I'm gonna
I hope
definitely
you can make it out.
definitely
please.
try and come and see the show.
We just walked out of Guitar Center and realized where we were.
Found this cute little garden on the way to Fenway.
I wonder if you like rent a plot.
Or if you're just like, hey, I'm gonna plant this. Is that cool?
Yeah.
And they're like, yeah, go for it.
Don't eat my corn, bro. Wow, look at that tree.
Dang, that is a dope tree.
That is a.
I feel like if Ginny and I were to move to Boston, this is where she'd want to live. And I'd be super on board. Fenway Park, we out here. I just bought these sick shoes. Boom. Boom. Boom.
kicks,
Boom.
Yeah.
Dang.
The irony of leaving New York, coming to Boston, and then hearing New York, New York by Frank Sinatra is not lost on me.
I like it.
I love it. I'm so happy. Frank Sinatra's playing. We're eating at an authentic Italian restaurant. Authentic Italian restaurant. I don't know what I said initially, but oh man. Be a part of it. New York, New York. Or Mike's Pastry, per the recommendation of Matt DeAngelis. Thanks, Matt. You're gonna give me some cannolis. I hope this line moves fast. You know, one cannoli hope.
That was pretty funny. All the flavors.
What am I gonna do?
Anecdotal evidence from my personal experience.
leads me to believe that it just rains a lot in Boston. It's raining now. This is the 4th day that it's rained out of 5, I think. So just got out of the gym for my quarterly gym visit. I'm gonna have to rename that if I start going to the gym more often. Heading to the theater. Yeah, we got a 2-show day today. And my cousin Danielle's coming to see it. Getting lunch with Danielle and my mom's cousin Karen and Danielle's boyfriend Kyle. Never gets confusing when we're all hanging out together. It's a good day. It's rainy, but it's a good day.
Just packing up because we leave Boston tomorrow morning at 9:30. I gotta leave for the theater in about 8 minutes, but pretty much all packed up and ready to go. Heading to Atlantic City. Yesterday, my cousin Danielle and her boyfriend Kyle came to see the show, and I didn't record hanging out with them at all because I'm an idiot. My mom's cousin Karen took us all out to dinner, and I didn't record any of that either. But it was a great time. We went to this restaurant called Earl's. I made Danielle show me a bunch of dresses that she worked on at Club Monaco. I was geeking out over it. It was so cool, like seeing stuff that, oh yeah, I did this, and now you can go to a store and you can buy it. That's crazy. Boston! I know you said you didn't want to be on camera.
You totally just put me on camera.
I know.
This is actually good, Kyle. Good job.
Nailed it. The cinnamon rolls, we've been talking about them all week. Holiday Inn Express in Boston. Get the cinnamon rolls.
How about these cinnamon rolls? I have cereal in my hands.
Look, Carlina.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
I'm so excited for you.
I'm excited too.
It's gonna be great.
Carlina's got an appointment for Hamilton on
We're gonna be
Tuesday.
Tomorrow. It's tomorrow.
On Tuesday.
Yeah, tomorrow is Tuesday.
So excited.
Stitch and I go adventure.
Yeah. Boston, it's been real, and it's been fun. And it has been real fun. Glad we got to celebrate the Sox in the World Series with you. Cheers. Oh, hi, Emily. Is this the Planet Fitness train? What is going on here?